Hey folks, Kamari Ellis here with another edition of Ask Kamari, here to answer all your investment and financial questions. This morning I got a question from James Bronner asking me about a stock, Continental Prison Systems, ticker symbol CPSZ, for all you folks who like to look stuff up. But basically James asked, did I think it was a good stock? He said it's trading around a penny. I know a lot of people like penny stocks. There's a lot of advertisement for them on the internet. I typically do not like them. But let's go to the chart, take a look at it, and I'll give you my opinion on it. We're looking at a chart of CPSZ. The chart you're looking at is what we call a monthly chart. So each one of these dots represents a month's worth of prices. The green bars indicate a month where the prices went up or appreciated. The red bars indicated a month where prices went down. But when you look at it here, you see that, this is the month of April. It's only April 4th right now, so we don't have a full month of data, but the stock's trading below a penny. At its high, at its all-time high, the stock got up to about $4, a little over $4, and then as you see, it plummeted down. Now, Continental Prison Systems specializes in they're like an ATM machine for inmates and for people who want to bail themselves out of prison. And they also provide a service when people get out of prison. Instead of inmates getting checks, they give them this debit card and it has money on it, and they can go to the ATM machine and use it. So they basically are in the ATM business, and they charge fees on these transactions. I think I saw something like 20%. Couldn't get a whole lot of information on this company, but it sounds like a viable operation. Looks like they're operating in California, Texas, Colorado, and Arizona. But with all that said, I don't like it. Not a fan of penny stocks, as I said earlier, especially for beginner investors. For a lot of reasons, the price fluctuations swing hard sometimes. And I know, James, you said you had indicated that you want a stock that you don't have to do a whole lot of work on. You can kind of set it and forget it. So I don't like what I see. This isn't a recommendation, this is just my opinion. But I'm looking at it, and a stock that's below a penny and has been trading there for the last, when you look at the screen, since '07. It hit 2 cents in in October of '07, and it hasn't gotten out of there. Now you can keep an eye on it, but I wouldn't put any of my hard-earned cash into it. Well, James, I hope that was helpful for you. Again, I wouldn't touch CPSZ, Continental Prison Systems, with your money if I was the investor on the other end of the stick. So the other thing I wanted to tell you is, like we were talking about on our inbox on Facebook, you could always go to my website, which is www.askcamari.com, and sign up for my email list. And on my email list, you can get some of my thoughts on various investments and market activities and economics. I put out a watch list where you get to see different investments that I'm looking at, that I'm considering buying for myself and my clients. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask Kamari. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.